I'm very excited about Malta because I heard very good thing about compare the size of the island, the power of the clubber, they are really crazy. So I really want to see that with my eyes. So tonight this is Ministry of Sound, who is a great name to do like a party. So I'm very excited.
Hello, I'm Guy Gerber and you're watching Ministry of Sound Television. What keeps me pushing? Actually, it's really maybe the only thing that I always like. Music is my best friend. Always been supported me. Things, girls come and go, but the music always stays.
Yeah, Ministry is like a huge trademark. As a DJ, you know, I played Singapore and I play London 2 times already, and this is one of my favorite. This is my favorite club in London. The sound is amazing, and this afternoon I saw the club, the Ministry of Sound here in Malta, and this is great. This is a lot of outdoor. I like that. Perfect. Music come from space invaders, music from the future. I'm gonna say that's electro, techno, and the thing is I'm able to play live with a guitar because by luck I have a classical music education. I learned to play piano at school. So tonight I'm gonna play live with my guitar live, which means that it's not like a classical DJ set. This is like a classical DJ set and live, concert live. So you have to come to see that tonight.
We're busted, we're decorated. We make an ornament, we're gold and silver plated. So what's the latest? We raise a fever. We're just all red inside, that's all there is to see here. Yeah, we're red inside, we're all red inside. And the leg bone's connected to the one in the thigh. We're red inside, we're all red inside. And the leg bone's connected to the one in the thigh. So come, girl, get your scissors.
The only way to put it is romantic and hypnotic. That's my music.